Ano po sa palagay ninyo ang pinakamalakas o matinding ebidensya laban po sa bise?
Correct. Alam mo yung pinakamalakas for me, yung threat, yung pagbabanta niya sa buhay ng presidente, ng House Speaker, tsaka ng at that time, no, tsaka yung First Lady, no. Kasi parang I've been telling the public, hindi normal yung event na yung Vice President threaten yung buhay, no, ng ng President at the two others, First Lady tsaka House Speaker. For me, on that ground alone, Corina, the Vice President should be impeached and removed from office. Hindi normal, hindi normal. I think we are the only civilized nation in recent history where yung second highest official threatened to decapitate, sabi na, to decapitate the president. So for me, yun yung pinakamalakas. Yung pangalawa, yung mas komplikado pero malakas rin na ground, yung usaping confidential funds.